Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Snapchat locked account. So let's start. But first we have to know for what reason your Snapchat account can be locked. If you're using third-party application such as Snapchat Plus, then your account can get locked. So let me show you how you can fix it. First, open the Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Logout if you're still able to access it. Usually when your account is locked, you cannot access your account. Now let me show you how you can fix this problem. Now close the app. Now you have to uninstall your Snapchat app. Once uninstalled, you have to install it again and then log into your account. And your problem should be fixed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.